ओके नेक्स्ट है LG लाइव्स कोड मैजिक रिमोट यूज़र इंफॉर्मेशन। मॉडल नेम है ANMR19BA। टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स। ओके, टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स, overview and specification of the remote control, overview, specification, precautions, customer support, overview and specifications for the remote control. Point first, overview. Instructions for using the magic remote control are in the TV manual. This remote uses RF radio frequency instead of infrared. This remote will operate within 10 meters of the TV and doesn't require it be pointed at the TV or voice recognition support. Second is specifications, categories, details. Categories, model number ANMR19BA, range of frequency 2.400 GHz GHz, frequency at 2.4835 GHz, output power maximum 4 dBm, channel 40 channels, power source AA 1.5 volt, 2 alkaline batteries are used. Operational temperature range is 0 degree Celsius, frequency 40 degree Celsius. Precautions हैं after replacement of the battery, use the remote control following pairing in accordance with user manual. If the unit doesn't operate after replacement of battery, re-attempt pairing in accordance with the user manual. If the remote controller is not being used for the prolonged period of time, it is recommended you to remove the battery from the unit. Do not dismantle or exert heat to the battery. Do not drop battery or exert extreme impact that may even cause the case to be damaged. Do not immerse the battery in water. There is danger of explosion if the battery is inserted reversely. Properly dispose of used batteries. Open the battery cover to find the label. Third, customer support. Refer to the contact number for services provided in the TV manual. Federal Communications Commission FCC statement. This equipment has been tested and found to comply with the limits for a Class B digital device pursuant to Part 15 of the FCC rules. These limits are designed to provide reasonable protection against harmful interference in a residential installation. This equipment generates, uses, and can radiate radio frequency energy and, if not installed and used in accordance with the instructions, may cause harmful interference to radio communications. However, there is no guarantee that interference will not occur in a particular installation. If this equipment does cause harmful interference to radio or television reception, which can be determined by turning the equipment off and on, the user is encouraged to try to correct the interference by one or more of the following measures. Reorient or relocate the receiving antenna. Increase the separation between the equipment and receiver. Connect the equipment into an outlet on a circuit different from that to which the receiver is connected. Consult the dealer or an experienced radio or TV technician for help. This device complies with Part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions. This device may not cause harmful interference, and this device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. You are cautioned that changes or modifications not expressly approved by the part responsible for compliance would void the user's authority to operate the equipment. FCC caution: any changes or modifications not expressly approved by the party responsible for compliance could void the user's authority to operate this equipment and for indoor use only. Use outdoors or in other modes not covered by this manual may violate the FCC regulation and violate the user authority to use the product. FCC RF radiation exposure statement. This equipment complies with FCC radiation exposure limits set forth for an uncontrolled environment. End users must follow the specific operating instructions for satisfying RF exposure compliance. Industry Canada statement. This device contains license exempt transmitters or receivers that comply with Innovation, Science and Economic Development Canada's license exempt RSS in the bracket smallest operation is subject to the following two conditions. This device may not cause interference. This device must accept any interference, including interference that may cause undesired operation of the device.